Hey there! Can you recall what you did when you were young? Do you still remember the excitement of venturing out into the world to explore new things, play outdoors with your friends, and attend school to learn various things? Hopefully, you still do. Mayong adlaw, I'm Mervin Tampus, an aspiring full-stack developer, and I still have those fun and precious memories like you. I may have grown bigger now, but I'm still a young kid at heart, and I believe that's how we should all be. This is me when I was young. You could totally see in my face that the sun was too hot. That time, I'd prefer playing video games over anything. Maybe you too. And of course, we'd have lots of fun when we'd play them with friends, right? This led me to technology and eventually taking up computer engineering in college. Being in this field made me taste hardships and loads of failures, which resulted to doubts and anxieties. Thankfully, I was together with these awesome people, and it helped me realize that I was not alone. This motivated me to improve my skill sets by making several projects. The first ever project I made with a team was Whitelist. We aimed to connect all the rentable places in the corners of Cebu into a single platform, making it easier not only for renters but also for homeowners to gain connections with diverse people who are looking for affordable rental opportunities. That time I had to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React from scratch since I only knew C, C Sharp, and Python for programming activities in college. With the support of my team, I was able to contribute with the front end, software requirement specifications, project management, and test plan documents. My second project was Recycler. It was for Accenture Program The Future 2021, and we made it as a solution for waste management in the Philippines. There were plenty of outstanding teams that competed in the contest, and I consider myself very fortunate to be a member of one of them. The funny thing was that our team was put together on the day of the proposal deadline, and we were able to somehow get our idea chosen as one of the top 20 proposals in the whole country. We were really surprised, and it was a very valuable experience for me because not only have I learned Flutter, but also got mentored by Accenture's experts on how to present our solution better. The next project is Vaccination. It is an online booking system that makes it easy to schedule vaccinations. We believe that paperless forms and online booking was more efficient and safer in this pandemic. It has a web app for admins and doctors, and also a mobile app for users who want to schedule a vaccination. At that time, I didn't know much about the back end, and even though Flutter is a cross-platform framework, I had to make different Firebase implementations for the web and mobile, which took a lot of trials and errors. Thanks to this, I had a great time learning about both technologies as a whole. The next one is Altruist. It is a website that brings community service projects and events together in one place. It also keeps people interested with a unique leveling and reward system that lets them gain experience by going to events and completing quests. I was also assigned to the back end in this project and had to use Firebase to host our website. This project is still ongoing, but it is set to end by this month. We hope that this project will help get people involved in their communities so that you, me, and everyone else can work together to build a better country. I had a terrific time studying different technologies thanks to those experiences. I know I still have a long way to go in my journey to become a great developer. That's why I had to apply for an internship. I'd want to learn more about myself, what I'm capable of, and how I can make a difference in the world. Symph's ethos is love, change, and hack, which is quite close to what I've done so far and my aspirations in life. I want to be a part of a team that is passionate about creating not just products that people love, but also a distinct culture that fosters a long-term work environment. I love Sims culture because I can really see how connected the people are, how they love to have fun, and how they strive to bring a global impact while offering high-quality services. Hopefully, Captain Albert will give me a boarding pass to join the trip around the world. That would be really cool. But joking aside, I believe that with the skills I have now, I can provide value by contributing to the implementation of front-end, back-end, making UI UX designs, or even project management. What's most essential to me is that I am willing to pick up new skills and provide outputs with minimum supervision. Even though I've been called a variety of names throughout the course of my life, sometimes foolish, crazy, simple, and so on, I don't see it as a reflection of my character, but as daily inspiration to improve myself and the world around me. You should all be aware that what other people say about you, me, and everyone else does not define who we are as individuals. We are what we think, what we do, and what we believe in. Let us continue to grow and become the best versions of ourselves. As a lifelong learner, I am open to new experiences, forming meaningful connections, and embracing the fact that I don't know everything. Because I believe opportunities exist for us to take on new challenges and develop new skills, which in turn would help us navigate our future. Lastly, I believe in the saying that roads were made for journeys, not destinations. The connections we form along the way help us constantly realize that we are not alone, that we are capable of living not just for ourselves, but also for others. That will be all. Thank you.